Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. So the scope of this video is to understand the slicing in string, and this is the 13th video of Python playlist in API POTHI. So here we are going to use the indexing mechanism to understand the slicing. So prior to that I am going to use this example entire the video where I will be having string as a B, C, D, E, F, G, H, L, K, M, right? So here A is stand on index 0 respectively. 1 is for B index will be a 1, for C index will be a 2, in following with that for M index will be a 12. So this is the positive index. It will go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have the separate dedicated video where we are more talking about the indexing or how to find the indexing or what are the defined method is already exist in Python to get the index. Here we are just understanding the slicing. In order to do that, we are going to first understand what is the positive index and what is the negative index. These are all only particular to the slicing video, not the respective indexing video. For positive we will be having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is starting from here, but for negative the index will start from this side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like that. Still A, B, C, D is remain same place. So for A the index will be a -13, whereas for B the index will be a -12, whereas for M the index will be a -1. So this will start in that way. Okay, so this is the technical index formatting of any of the string character in Python, very specific to the slicing. Okay, now what exactly meaning of slicing? To understand the slicing, assume that we will be having one string. Out of that string we need only part of a string. Okay, 4 or 5 string. So that is nothing but the substring of a string. So the substring of a string is nothing but we are achieving through the slicing while doing the slicing. Now directly we are coming to the code in order to understand the how slicing is working in Python or how to do the slicing. So here I have already created the sample program here. So this is for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Here the positive index will go something like that, 0 to 8, whereas negative index will go -1 to -9, right? So first we will be talking about the only the index of positive. So I am just keeping as the example, I am just keeping my string as a B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this will help me to understand easily. Okay, we have the same program, same Python file, which is nothing but string example.py file. I have simply just here all the example are there. This code I will commit into the Git and provide you the Git link into the video description. Okay, now coming to the example here. So I have already created the string. Okay, let me copy this one, let me cut this one. Okay, so okay, now it looks good. Okay, so now here I am just trying to do the slicing. First thing is that using the print statement. So for slicing, prior to that we'll understand that, okay, let me do one line of code, then we will understand that what is the syntax of this one. Okay, so here my YouTube channel name, which is the variable which hold the string called A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, right? So here I want to do the slicing for 2:7. Okay, so what will happen basically, here the 2 will represent the start index and 7 will represent the end index. So just for comment here, the first argument is nothing but start index, whereas last argument is end index. Okay, so this is the technically it will work like that. Or we can say another way, if you know the closed interval or open interval in mathematics, in that way this is the lower bound and this one is upper bound, something like that. Okay, now if I will execute this line of code, what I will get as a output. So here as per this example, I am just trying to slice this string 2:7. So here is the 0, here is the 1, here is the 2. So I will get first output as a C. Okay. From here, I will come to the 7. 7 is the upper bound, but I will get the output as a 6 only. So C to G. C, D, E, F, G. So this I will get as a output. So 2 will include the index of 2, whereas means upper bound or a start bound or a start index will include the character present on this start index, whereas end index will take end index minus 1. Okay, so here it is 7, but it will take character till 6. Now let me run this code. You see here we got the C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G, which is perfectly fine. That's what we are expecting. Now coming to the another example, here I am just using the same code, but the argument will be a differ. Now I want to put here 0, 0. So what technically I am doing is do the slicing for me, but I am neither starting nor ending. 0 means 0 index. So neither I am starting nor I am ending. So do the slicing for me. In that case, it will give me 0 value. I means no slicing, because neither I am starting nor I am ending. Start index is 0, end index is 0, lower bound is 0, upper bound is 0. So technically I am not doing anything here. So if you see, I am not getting any output. Now coming to the another example, before that, just to execute, I will just copy this one also. It will easy to track for which one which output is. Fine. Okay. So this one was 0, 0. Whereas this one, okay. So this one I want 0 to 100. 0, 100. So here, what is the expected output? What I am trying to do the slicing is, I am starting from 0, which is from here, perfectly fine. Now I am going up to 100, 100. But my all the string max length is 8 only. So I am just in between 100 only. So technically, what I am getting is, I am getting A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Since our string is end here only. After that, what are the indexes are there? That is the dummy indexes. So it doesn't make any sense for me. So I am just getting this output. So this is also fine now. Now I am just going to the another one. Here I am writing 50 and then I am writing there 100, which is perfectly fine. Now what I am trying to do is, I am starting from 50, okay, which I don't have any character, and ending to 100. Bound is correct, starting 50, ending 100, bound is correct, I mean indexes is correct, but I don't have any character in between 50 and 100, because my character are ending on 8th position only. So technically this will not give any output to me. No output. Now coming to the another one. Here what I am doing is, I am just giving the start index as a 0, whereas end index as a 5. In that case, what it will do is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means from here to here it will print. This one A, B, C, D, E. 5 means it will exclude the 5. It means it will go till 4 only. So let me run E, right? Same way, if I wanted to do, here it should be 5, 0 to 5. Okay, just for our understanding. Now I want to give first argument as a nothing, okay, whereas second argument I want 5. First argument, instead of 0, I am just keeping this one blank. So what will happen is, if I will give first index or not, if I am giving, which is perfectly fine, this is totally understable, but If at all I am not providing the first index here, the slicing or string will understand default index as a 0. So in that case, here it is 0. So for line number 2 to 5 and 2 to 6, the output remains same, even though I have not given the first index as a 0. Let me execute it. You see here A, B, C, D, E. So this one is remains same. Now coming to the another one where I want to put the lowercase as a something called 2, whereas uppercase as a 0. Same thing I also want to put into the comment section just for understanding. So now what I am trying to do is I am just telling the lower bound is 2, which is perfectly fine. I am coming here, but upper bound is 0. From here I am not going anywhere. Like upper bound is always greater than lower bound, whereas 0 is not the greater than 2. Hence I am not making any sense to do the slicing. It will not give me any compilation error, rather than it will not give me any output also. See, no output. Now what I am doing is I am just copy paste, and then instead of 0, okay, I am not giving any things here. Okay, like how I have removed the first index here, right? Same way I am not providing any second index. So what will happen here is, since I am not providing second index, so it will start from 2, which means here, and it will take everything. Since I am not providing the highest index, it is taking C, D, E, F, G, H, I. C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Perfectly fine. Now this is all about this is all permutation and combination for positive indexes. So we understood the how to do the slicing using positive index. Now coming to the directly on negative index, everything remains same, just that I am doing the negative index. In order to do the negative indexes, so what I will do, let me print something so it will distinguish which one is positive, which one is negative. So print negative slicing. Okay, for negative index. In order to do the negative index, so we will be, everything remains same, it's just that we will be passing the negative argument. So first thing, I'll just copy it from here only. The first argument I wanted to put as a -0 to -0. -0 to -0. This is the first argument. Okay. Let me delete this one, -0 to -0. So what I am trying to do is the -0 to -0. Technically, I am not asking to do anything. So here it is not giving any output because there is nothing like -0, anything here, right? It will start from -1 only. Now I'm just doing the slightly change here. Instead of -0, I'm writing -1, which is fine, right? Since we have the -1. For that, what will happen is, so it will start from -1, but it will go till -0. Where is the -0? We don't have any -0. So it will not give me any output. So this is again the second argument will not give any output. Coming to the third scenario where I wanted to put -1, -1. Okay. So what I am doing is -1 is fine, but I am not, neither I am starting nor ending. It is same as -0 to -0, -5 to -5. This will also give me the no output. So this is all combination of no output only. Now I'm coming to the another case where I want to put the argument as a something called -7 and this argument as a 0. So here I am giving the -7 and this argument I am not giving anything. So what will happen is, technically the first argument is mine. Okay, so here one more thing you just wanted to tell you. So minus 7 is less than minus 1. Okay, please understand, if you remove the minus, then the sign will be changed, right? So in minus, the number will increase, the value will decrease only. Okay, so here my first character means upper bound is minus 7. So from minus 7 it will go till last by default. It will see where is the minus 7. From minus 7 to it will go last. Okay, upper bound is, it will by, for upper bound it will already taken the default one. Okay, so from where I am providing minus 7 to it will go last, till last. So this is the one example. Now second example, what I am trying to do, I am just removing the, upper bound, I'm sorry, lower bound, and I am just giving only upper bound. Okay, only upper bound. In that case, what will happen? Upper bound is minus 3. So from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, from here that will go till end, because I have not given the first character, means upper bound, lower bound. So it will go till highest, excluding minus 3. So this minus 3 it will execute, and this will take all. Done. So here please understand, here I am not providing the upper bound, hence it will just check from minus 7, which is from here to here, it will take all. Whereas here I am not providing the first, means upper bound, so it will taken from the minus 3, which is from here to here, last one. Okay, this is all about the one argument missing. Now second case, I want to put it here. I want to provide the both the argument now. Okay, for I want to put here, what is the my highest? Okay, I want to put here minus 8, lowest I want to put the 2. So here I will say minus 8 is less than minus 2, which is perfectly fine. Okay, let me run then. It is giving B, C, D, E, F, G, which is perfectly fine. The minus 10, B, C, D, E, F, G, minus 8, 10, minus 8 to minus 10. Let me copy this. I want to make some twist here. What I want to do, instead of minus 8, minus 2, I will write here minus 2, and here I will write minus 8. Minus 2, minus 8, right? Here it was minus 8, okay, and here minus 2. Now just think about the second statement here, what I am trying to do. The first bound is always the lower bound, whereas second bound is the upper bound. Always upper bound or upper index, upper index is greater than lower index. This is the rule. Here what I am, as per rule, what I am doing is minus 8 is greater than minus 2. Is it true or false? It is false. So technically I am not trying to do anything, because it's contradicting this rule. So here I am just passing the wrong argument, hence I am not getting any output. Wrong. Now let me run this code. We will not get any output. You see, no output. Another interesting is here. Now coming to the another variant where I am passing the double colon here and passing here minus 1. So if I will print here This will not make you any sense. It is printing A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, which is perfectly fine. But the good thing here is, if I will pass here -2, this one is interesting. -1 is okay. Then you will understand what exactly I am trying to do. -1 means it is printing the all the character, which is perfectly fine. But if I will give -2, it will print the alternate character of a string. You see here, first it gave the A, okay, B left, now it given the C, D it left, now it given the E, F left given the G, H left given I. So it is giving the alternate character. Okay, so that's why I am telling, okay, this example will make you understand. Otherwise, there is another way, I mean same way, if you will put the -3, it will give you the character after -3 only. So here we have the A, B, C, it will give you the C, D, E, F, it will give you the F, G, H, I, it will give you the I. Now let me run this code. IFC, okay, ulta, IFC. Okay. So this is the another variant. Now there is one more variant here, but I want to pass the argument in both the places. Like here I want to pass the -1, whereas I want to pass here -3. Let me remove this. Which you see, -1, -3, it is giving you the IFC. Because this both will become same only. I mean, since here -1, that's the reason it is same, but I will change the argument here, then we'll got to know what exactly it is doing. Now I just wanted to put here -2, I wanted to put here -1. This will give the exact figure to us. For now this and both are giving the same, but yeah. Now let me run this code. You see here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It is giving you everything excluding the last one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It is excluding the I. We have the till I, right? We have the till I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It exclude the I. From last exclude the 1. So these are all the possible cases for -1. Now we understood the slicing in string through all the example for positive as well as for negative. In the next video, we are going to understand the index. There are predefined method provided by the Python for especially for a string like find, rfind, index, rindex and search. This is all related to finding the index only. We are going to understand into the next video. Thanks for watching this video.